So I recently received a new review on Google My Business and instantly my team on Slack was notified about the same. The ratings, the name and the comment was shared. Not only this, an automatic reply was generated and sent back again towards the reviewer, or you can say customer. You must be thinking that I did all of this manually. No, I have created this amazing automation where whenever we're going to receive a new review from Google Business Profile, instantly my team on Slack will be notified. Not only this, using Google Gemini, we are going to generate the reply for that review and we're going to post that reply back. So in this video, I'll show you how you can also create this amazing automation, but for that you have to watch this tutorial till the end. So to do this, just open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now in the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can send up to 100 of replies for free and also notify your team 100 of times for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we are on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Google Business Profile and select the same. For the event, select it as new review and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google Business Profile and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. After selecting the Gmail account, Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this continue and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is 100% safe with us. Now our Google Business Profile is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now we have to select the account and the location and click on this save and send test request. Once we're going to click on the save and send test request, it is going to capture the last review posted on my Google Business Profile. So this was the last review and it has captured the details for the same. Okay, so let's move on further and create this automation. But before we move on further, I'll just let you know that Google Business Profile is a pooling based application. So pooling based application means that this application will not check for new data instantly. It is going to take some amount of time to check for the new data, and over here in the case of Google Business Profile, it is saying the trigger will check for new data in undefined. So if you want to define this timing, just left click on this and go on this set trigger time. You can keep the minimum trigger time as 10 minutes and maximum as 24 hours. So I'm going to keep it as 10 minutes and click on this save. So now it is saying the trigger will check for new data in 10 minutes. Okay, so let's move on further and click on this add new action step. Now for the action application, I'm just going to search for Slack because I am going to notify my team first, then we're going to generate the reply. Okay, so let's select Slack. For the event, select it as send channel message and click on this connect. Once again, if you haven't connected your Slack account, go on this add a new connection and then connect with Slack. You have to select the token type. You have to choose the token type as either user or bot. Check the documentation to find out how to get this token type. So we have the documentation. Just click on this learn more. Once you're going to click on this learn more, this forum window is going to appear. Or we're going to see the basic difference between the user and the bot token type. Okay, so you have to select any one of this token type. I am going to select it as bot. You have to read the documentation and select it according to your own choice and click on this save. Once you're going to click on this save, what is going to happen? Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. Okay, so first of all, you have to select the workspace, and once Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions, click on this allow you, because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry, and give Pabbly all the permissions. Now select the channel in which you want to send the message. So I want to send the message in this channel, which is review alerts. And now for the message, I am just going to enter the message. So as you can see that this is the message, we're going to enter the same. Let's copy the same message from my previous workflow and we're going to paste it right over here. But over here in this message, there's one thing that we are going to map the details of the user, or you can say the one who commented. Okay, so how are we going to map these details? First of all, for that you have to understand what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. And in order to map these details, put a slash and then search for the detail and map it like this. So these three details will change with every new response. We have mapped it. Rest details will remain static. So we've entered it manually. Now it is asking me for many another details, but all of these are not required, so let's just keep it as same and click on this save and send test request. Now it is saying that we have successfully sent this message on our Slack, so let's open our Slack and you're going to see this message is sent. New Google business review alert, a new review has been posted, the rating, name and the comment. Okay, so now let's generate the reply for this and we're going to post it back again. Okay, so for that I'll just first show you this is my review which I have posted and I don't have any reply to this review. Okay, so let's go back towards our workflow and click on this add new action step. For the action application I'm going to use Google Gemini and select it. For the event I'm going to select it as generate content and click on this connect. Click on add a new connection. It is asking for the API key, so go on this Google AI Studio to get the API key. From the left hand of the side, go on this get API key section, click on this create API key, name your key, select the project and click on this create key button. Your key will be created, so you have to copy the key and paste it right over here in your workflow. After you paste the key, click on this save and your Google AI Studio, which is Gemini, will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now for the prompt, once again I'm going to copy the prompt from my previous workflow. If you also want this prompt and all of these details, the workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. You can check it out and get the details from there. Okay, so as you can see, we're going to map the details once again, which is the reviewer name. Then we're going to map the star rating and then we're going to map the review text so that it can generate me the details according to that. Okay, so let's put a slash, map the name, then we have to put a slash, map the rating, then we have to put a slash and map the comment. After mapping this, let's move on further. Select the model. You have to select the model according to your own choice. Select the method as generate content and click on this save and send test request. Now automatically the reply for this will be generated. I have also mentioned the details of my brand over here. So as you can see, the reply is generated right over here and I'm going to post it. So let's just close this. Let's move on further and click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Google business profile. Once again, for the event, select it as create reply and click on this connect. We have recently connected our Google business profile with Pabbly Connect, so click on this select existing connection and then save. And now what you have to do is you have to select the account ID, location ID, and then it is asking for the review name to reply to. So over here we're not going to select the review like this manually, but instead we will map it because this will change with every new response. So switch on this mapping button, delete whatever is written right over here, put a slash and then search for the review name. And you're going to find this review name, which is this. So simply map it. It will start from accounts slash location slash review. So you have to map this. Now for the reply, put a slash, map the reply with Gemini generated and click on the save and send test request. You're going to see that we have received the positive response that we have successfully posted this. So let's go back towards Google business profile. Now you can see we don't have any reply to this review. But once we're going to refresh this, yes, you're going to see automatic reply to this review is posted over here. Now what is going to happen is whenever someone is going to post a new review on Google business profile, first of all, instantly my team on Slack will be notified. Then using Gemini, the reply will be generated and posted back. This is such a useful automation if you also use Google My Business to promote and grow your business or collect the reviews of your customers. Once your team is notified on Slack, they can work on the process. Like if we have received the bad review, we can work on the process and then further we can check the reply which posted by AI. Okay, so go and try this amazing automation for your own Google business profile, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any doubts related to the video or the workflow, you can directly drop them in the comment section below. My team is going to help you out. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want more automation tips, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.